going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse, on location in West Alexandria, way out here in the boonies. I get out here maybe twice a year. I have washed for these fine folks for the last probably 5 years. This is a brand new home, post-construction wash. This thing is absolutely amazing, and I'm going to take you for the journey on this one. But first, here's what I need. I got me some new kicks, some new hucks or hooks, and that's what I need in the comments. Is it hucks or hooks? For the longest time I was saying hucks, H-U-C-K-S, but someone corrected me seemingly and said it's not hucks, it's hooks, like a fishing hook. And in fact, the logo has a hook on it. So I'm wondering, is it huck or is it hook? Spell it out for me the way that you think that it is, huck or hook. Leave that in the comments. For reference, these are size 9. They fit to size. So like, I've had a number of different brands over the years. I keep going back to the hooks, hucks, whatever that it is. They just last a little bit longer. And I think I got these for 70 bucks plus shipping. I have gotten them for 2 for 80 before plus shipping. Check this out. Is this amazing or what? So a post-construction wash for the Fresh, and I will not be using any chemicals on this one. Like, it just got built. I think they've been in it just a few months. So it's got some dust on the windows. You can see this kind of stuff right there. Still has plastic on that window right there. These fine folks have to be in their 20s. I've washed for Tyler for probably 5 years at his previous home, just about every year. My theory is, if your name's Tyler, you can't quite be 30 years old, something like that. I just spoke with his wife and she looks like she's about 21. So very, very cool. Very, very cool. Let's get started. So while I'll be washing down the whole house, I think this is really the kind of stuff they're looking to get rid of. You see this? I am not going to use any type of solution on this house wash. My theory is, I don't know exactly what kind of paint is on all of this. I don't want to take a chance of messing anything up with SH. So this is going to be a complete wash down, water only. So West Alexandria, Ohio is farm country. Not exactly what I'm used to, but not terribly far from my home. But it is out in the boonies, farm country. Ohio is flat country, so not a lot of hills going on in Ohio. This is what I see when I drive out in this area. So I mentioned earlier that these people have to be in their 20s. While I've washed for them for many years, I've never met them until today, and I still haven't met Tyler. This place is so far back, it takes you 12 days to get a postcard from the mailbox. Hey guys, it's The Fresh Rinse. Recently, I offered to send you the text script that I use for remote quoting. It's the very same script that I send to everyone who requests a pressure washing quote. And I send it to any of my subscribers absolutely free as a token of my appreciation for having subscribed to my channel. I was absolutely blown away by the number of requests for this text script. Several hundred of you responded. Because this free gift was so popular, I'd like to extend the offer. It's super simple to receive and there's absolutely no strings attached. Simply text the words quote script to the number below and I'll send you my remote quoting script in a returned text. It doesn't get any easier or any freer than that. Once again, I really appreciate you subscribing. Now back to the video. So check out these beams. How cool is that? That is just so cool. Tyler's wife came out and said, yeah, Tyler has wanted to design and build his own house his whole life. I'm like, he's 25. What does that even mean? The wife just came out and asked me if I could wash the driveway today. I told her I can give it a nice rinse down, but with no pressure. She said, that's cool, and charge me accordingly. Okay. So I do think I will do this driveway rinse down as I go so that I don't have to reposition my truck too many times. Just getting all the heavy dust and dirt off. And as we approach the back of the house, God, man, I just love seeing young people succeed. This is absolutely breathtaking. It's like being in the Colorado Rockies of Ohio. Just gorgeous. All right, just washing down this second story section above the back porch. I'll be coming back in the fall to clean up this debris and wash this roof for Tyler. You know what? Let's just go ahead and do it. Why not? Going to avoid the television area. I'll wash that where the hot tub area is and all the floor, and we'll be done with the backside. Well, I got to opportunity number 2 of 3 on the day, and I just realized I didn't sign off. So I'm going to sign off. Hey, I really appreciate you watching. If you found any value whatsoever in this video, would you mind hitting the like button and the subscribe button? That would mean the world to me. And leave a comment. Is it Hucks or Hooks? Spelled any way you want to. Hey, my name is Mike. They call me the Fresh Rinse. And I'm out.